Getting that engine nice and broken in. Armed. Now that's a monster truck.
Please try again.
So I have read comments all over during my last 3 videos of this machine while the engine's been breaking in about it being too slow, and that the 49cc engine is used on pocket bikes that are used to carry, you know, 160-pound people. What I find interesting about that is that we took an engine, not we, but the manufacturer, took an engine for a 2-wheel drive motorcycle and made it into an ATV. I think it kicks ass.
Yeah, it does kick ass. It's scalable speed.
Yeah,
for an
agreed.
ATV, it's perfect.
It's a beast. Let's go jump it.
Okay.
It's got a huge amount of torque on the low end just to help get those wheels moving. Now granted, this is a stock engine. There's only a high-speed needle adjustment on the outside on the carburetor, but this is about 3.5 tanks in. That's why I went down to stand beside it, because getting the scale of it is very difficult. Oh, nice!
It moves really well.
It does. It just wants to eat.
And the speed is fair for the size and scale of it.
If it's a real monster truck, real monster trucks can jump like that high. In the snow, nice. With the high speed gears, that's why. Well, they're not high speed, but they're the middle of the line. I saw Dan, the guy who designed this, I saw it on the Primal RC YouTube channel, him pull a full-size Dodge.
Really?
His truck, yeah, with this raminator, with the low gears. Yeah.
Just gotta work it in, it works great.
It's so slippery in the snow. Look at it, eats that hill, no problem. It's a good opportunity for me to show you that the 4th channel is a reverse gear. I switch it. Look at that. The first gas monster truck I've seen of this size that has a reverse gear.
That is so surprising because reverse is critical in
You would think.
Yeah.
Look at how wide this footprint is of the treads. It's like a go-kart.
Okay.
You see the snowdrift over here? Like this big one? Mm-hmm. It's pretty deep, right, in between?
Yeah,
that should slow it down substantially. I think we should hit it anyway.
Okay.
Just floated. Yeah! Woohoo! Let's jump it! Oh! That's the first time I've ever rolled it. Guys, the tire treads, look at this. It's like chevrons in the snow.
That's my tread. That's how wide, from edge to edge.
Looking good, babe.
Yeah.
So I shut this off so you could hear it, but here's like, normally our 5th scale track pushes it going the other way, right? Everybody launches from here. This is a pretty severe incline right here. I'm thinking that even though we kind of have to go uphill a little bit on this side for the run up, we should try to get the truck going as quickly as we can, even though it has an incline, and then hit it here and see what kind of carnage we can.
Yeah, we should.
Let's try it.
Let's do it.
That's what it's built for. Let's inspect it. This is a little loose. I could push on that a little. Oh, that right there. Let's tighten it up. I put Loctite in here too. It's a good thing we checked it though.
Yeah.
Here. Nice. One there.
Quick fix.
Yep, always. Well, a monster of this size, it's like got a ton of vibration.
You did all your safety stuff yesterday, so it's all good.
Oh yes. Well, everything's all Loctited. It's just this is a moving part and it vibrates quite a bit. So even with Loctite in there, it still wants to come loose.
Shimmies that out, hey?
Yep.
Ready?
Yes! Good.
All the haters can suck it. That's all.
Like it has no problem going up any incline at all. It doesn't stall out or anything. Let's hit the other side.
Nom, 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 nom.
Okay guys, there you go. Primal RC. It's a hell of a monster truck.